Well, I'm sure almost everybody can read a website, but anyway, this is how you do it. So assuming you're on the site and you go to this post and you scroll down to the link near the bottom, which says consider the following web page. Click on the web page and well, it's really very simple and we'll improve it as time goes on, but basically this is for loading a visual browser file from Oracle Policy Modeling version 10 into this space here. This is promotional material for the JavaScript libraries that were used to create this viewer, and they're there because it's a good library. Just go ahead and click Choose File, and then pick one of your version 10 visual browser files. They will be DML extensions, and click Open, and your file should appear in the window here. Now, you don't get everything, and it depends on how you build the file. And as you can see here, it tells us that it's a trial version, which is also the reason why you have this publicity material here. Eventually, we'll remove that when we pay for our license, but we want to get this right first. But it uses whatever is in the file to try and redraw something like the diagram that you had in version 10. And way up here, you'll see there's like a miniature version. And if you right-click that miniature version and choose Open in New Tab, you have a SVG version, which is completely compatible with just about any graphics program. You could then import that in and color it and do with as you wish. So you could save that. If you want to do another one, as it says at the top, reload the page to try again. We will get round to doing a much more friendly user interface at some point, but right now that's what it is. So you just go around again and choose another one, and there's your image this time. Yeah, so you can copy and paste that, do what you want. You can even, if you want, you can try capturing this using ScreenCap or some other tools. But that's how you do it. Eventually we'll make it into something a little more robust, but at least now you can try and visualize your visual browser files, and of course tell us if something doesn't work, because we've only tested it on a few dozen files. Thanks.